Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the Elementor video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create link in bio template in Elementor. This is a new widget that is added in Elementor. This widget is still in beta mode, so maybe it is not yet available on the actual Elementor plugin. However, soon it will be added in the actual Elementor plugin. Here you will see some templates that I have created using this widget. So basically all these templates have profile image, title, description, social media links, as well as some click to action buttons. So using this widget in Elementor, you can create link in bio template for your WordPress website. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a floating contact button in Elementor. This is also a new feature added in Elementor and still in beta mode. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. So let's see how we can create the link in bio template in Elementor.
Do not forget to subscribe to Quick Tips YouTube channel. Watch new videos about website design, e-commerce websites, search engine optimization, social media marketing, WordPress tutorials, video editing tips, and many more. Press the bell icon to get instant notification whenever we publish new videos.
So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website, and on this website I'm using Elementor and Elementor Pro plugin. This is a demo WordPress website and I have created this website using the Elementor hosting services. First, you need to activate the link in bio widget in the Elementor. This is still in beta mode. So let's go to Elementor and go to settings. We are on the Elementor settings. At the top you will see features. Go to features, and on the features you will see the option link in bio. If it is inactive, then make it active, and after activating, click on save changes. Once you activate the link in bio widget, it will be shown on the pages. Right now, let's go to pages and create a new page. I'm going to create a new page. Let's name it as link in bio and use the template Elementor canvas so that you will not see the header and footer section of the website. If you want to show the header and footer, you can simply select Elementor full width or default template. In this case, I do not want to show the header and footer section, so I'm going to select Elementor canvas and click publish. Then go to edit with Elementor. Alright, so here you can see that the header and footer is not available. Now let's click on plus sign and I'm going to use a grid layout. Let's use 3 columns. Alright, now if you want, you can use a single column also, and in that column you can add the widget link in bio. In this case, I want to show you different layouts of link in bio, so I'm going to use 3 column grid layout. Just click on this icon and search for link in bio, and you will see 7 different layouts. As of now, there are 7 different layouts for link in bio. So I'm going to start with the first one. Click on it, drag it and drop it in the first column, and this is the first layout. At the top you will see an option to add the image. At the top you have profile or cover. You will see the cover image. If you want to change it to cover image, you can select cover image and add the cover image, or you can select profile and use the profile image there. I'm going to use one of these sample images, and you will see the image there. Below that we have bio. Under bio you will see heading, tagline and the description. So this is what it shows here. This is the name, that is heading, and then we have tagline, and below that we have descriptions. I'm going to change the name. Alright, so this is the name. Below that we have a title or tagline. If you want to change it, you can change it from here. Then we have description. You can add your own description. Below that we have icons. So these are the social media icons. Currently we have Facebook, Instagram and TikTok icon here. If you do not want any one of these icons, you can simply click on X and remove it. If you want to add another icon, you can simply click on add icon and click on the drop down box and select the icon from the drop down list. In this case, I want to select WhatsApp, so I'm going to select WhatsApp and you will see the icon there. For the Facebook, you can enter your Facebook link here, then Instagram link. For the WhatsApp, you can add your WhatsApp number. Let's click on add icon and let's see which other options do we have. Let's add telephone. You will see the telephone option there. You can add your telephone number there. If you want to add email, you can also add email. And this is how you can add icons. You can simply enter your email address there and subject line. If someone clicks on it, it will send the email. Below that we have call to action link buttons. So these are call to action link buttons. The first option says get healthy. You can customize the text, you can add your own text. Then we have URL. You can add the URL here. You can change the URL, and instead of URL you can add file download option. Then we have WhatsApp, Waze, Messenger. If I select WhatsApp, you will see an option to add the WhatsApp number. In this case, I'm going to select URL so that it will show a button there. Below that we have top 10 recipes. This is another dummy button. If you want to delete any one of these buttons, you can delete it. If you want to add another button, you can simply add it, right? So this is how you can customize the layout. You can add your own content there. Now let's go to style settings here. At the top we have image size. This is the image and currently it is set to default. We have square or circular. So I'm going to select circular. If you want to add border, you can add a border here. You can also change the image size like this. Then below that we have bio. These are the style settings for the bio. This is the title color. Let's change the title color, and you can also change the typography. You can change the font size or you can change the font family from here. Then we have title and tagline. You can change the color or you can change the size and the font family for this one also. Below that we have description. This is the description. You can change the size or the font family from here, just like this. Right, below that we have icons. This is the color, icon color. You can change the icon color. Let's change it to something different. You can also change the size, small, medium or large. Below that we have call to action link buttons. This will be a button or link. If I change it to link, you will see only links there instead of button. You can change the background color of the button. Let's use this one. You can also change the typography for the button text. Border, if you want to add border, you can also add border. Change the border color. Then we have padding. If you want to add padding, you can add a padding. Below that we have the settings for the box. This is the entire box, and for the box you can change the background color. Let's change it. Let's try this one. This one looks good. If you want to add image, you can add image also. We will do it in another layout. Let's add border, and for the border we have border color. Right, let's see. This is how it will look. So this is the first layout for the link in bio widget. You can change the color settings and the font settings for this link in bio widget. Let's click on this plus sign and search for the link in bio widget again, and let's try the second one, classic. Drag it and drop it here. In this we have cover image as well as the profile image. So I'm going to select one of the cover images from here, and let's add the profile image again. Let's use the same one again. So this is the name, and again you will see other settings are same. You will see the bio heading, the name, the title, the description. Then we have the links. These are the call to action links and icon, and the icon placement is at the bottom in this layout. All right, so if you want, you can use this layout or the second layout. Again, go to style settings, and from here you can change the background as well as the style settings of this particular link in bio widget. All right, if I go to buttons, let's change the background color, and there is no border. Let's add border 1 pixel, and let's change it to rounded or change it to sharp. So this is how it will look. Let's go to box and change the background image. For this one we are going to add a background image. Let's try this one, and this is how it will look. So let's change the opacity. Let's add background overlay. Let's use this one. All right, so this one looks good. So this is the second layout. Let's click on the plus sign again. Let's try another one, link in bio. Search for the widget. Let's try this one, showcase. Drag it and drop it here, and this is how it will look. This is the profile image. Again, I'm going to select the profile image from here. Then we have the title, the description and tagline. Then we have icons. And below that we have call to action link buttons. These are kind of different buttons. If I click on it, you will see an option to add the images for this button. So it can be like your services that you're going to offer. Right, so this is the first one. Let's go to second one. Let's add another one for the second one. All right, so this one also looks good. Again, I'm going to change. Let's go to style settings and change the background color for the box. Let's add an image again. And let's use overlay color. Let's use a darker one. And for the bio, we are going to change the color of the text. For the icon, again change the color. All right, so this one also looks good. You can customize it. You can change the font settings again. Let's try another 3 layouts. Let's add another grid and let's add some padding here for the top and bottom. Search for the link in bio widget again. Let's try another one. This is for the links. You can add links only. Now here you will see some background image is there. So let's go to the profile image first. So this is the profile image. Then we have again title, description, some links and the social icons at the bottom. So basically all these layouts have the same structure: profile image, title, description, tagline, then links and social media icons. So this is how it works here. Let's go to style and go to box. For this box, you will see this background image is there. So I'm going to change the default one and let's add another one here. This is how it looks. Let's add background overlay and again change the style settings, change all the colors. All right, so this is how this one looks. So this layout has links. Let's click on the plus one again and search for link in bio. Now let's try another one. We have cover image at the top, then title, then again you can add images for the click to action buttons. All right, now let's click on plus sign and let's try the last one. Let's try this one, business card. So this is how it will look. Let's use the cover image and profile image. Then we have title, description. These are the social icons. Then download a resume. This is different layout. Let's go to the call to action and this is how it shows. This is the button text, download a resume, and file download is the option here. All right, so this one has only one link, which is the download a resume. This is a business card layout. All right, and these are the icons here, and this is the bio description, and the tagline is at the bottom. You will see the heading here, and this is the description at the bottom. So this is a different layout than the other link in bio widgets. All right, let's try another one. Let's try the last one here. All right, let's add a grid layout first. All right, so this is how it will look. We have the profile image here. Then we have 4 different image links. So these are the links to the images. You need to add a link. When someone clicks on it, it will go to that particular link. All right, so this is how it looks. This is the last layout, the portfolio, in which we have only the images and some information. So if you want to create link in bio page for your social media, then you can definitely try using this widget in Elementor. This is still in beta mode, so by the time you're watching this video, it may be available in the actual Elementor plugin. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.